Imagine this. You're gaming at max settings, streaming your gameplay live, and editing videos, all on the same laptop. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Meet the MSI Titan 18 HX Dragon Edition Norse Myth, a machine so powerful it feels like Thor himself handed it down from Valhalla. But here's the kicker. It's not just about raw power. It's about solving one of the biggest headaches tech enthusiasts face today. Finding a laptop that can handle everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Or your bank account. Let me paint a picture for you. You've got an RTX 4090 desktop rig sitting at home, but when you step out, all you have is a flimsy Ultrabook that struggles to open Chrome tabs, let alone run modern Braille games. Or worse, you're stuck with a bulky workstation that weighs more than your gym bag and sounds like a jet engine every time you boot it up. That's where most laptops fail. They either compromise on performance or portability, leaving us stuck in this endless cycle of disappointment. But then there's the Titan 18HX. This beast is powered by Intel Core Ultra 9285 HX and NVIDIA RTX 5090 graphics, yes, the ones that don't technically exist yet. It comes with 24 GITs of GDDR7 memory, a 3840 by 2400 mini LED display running at 120 Hz, and a vapor chamber cooling system designed to tame its 270 watt power draw. In simpler terms, this thing eats demanding tasks for breakfast and asks for seconds. Think about it. Whether you're rendering 8K videos, playing Cyberpunk 2077 at max settings, or even tweaking AI-driven software like MSI Center via their new chatbot feature, this laptop handles it all effortlessly. And trust me, as someone who's been reviewing gadgets for over 2 decades, I've seen plenty of flagship machines crumble under pressure. The Titan doesn't just survive, it thrives. Now, before you start thinking, wow, this guy must be getting paid to say all this, let me clarify something. When I first saw the specs, my jaw dropped faster than a toddler spotting candy. Then I picked it up and realized it's chunky, like really chunky, not exactly what I call stealthy, despite what MSI might want you to believe. So yeah, if you are hoping for something slim enough to slide into your backpack unnoticed, maybe look elsewhere, unless of course your backpack doubles as a weightlifting accessory. On the flip side though, that bulk serves a purpose. Inside, you'll find 4 M.2 bays, 1 Gen 5 and 3 Gen 4 slots, along with RAID support for maximum storage performance. Oh, and did I mention the keyboard? Full RGB backlighting, customizable keys, and tactile feedback, sharp enough to make any gamer swoon. Sure, it's flashy, but sometimes flashiness is exactly what you need to stand out. To give you some context, let's compare this to other top-tier laptops like the Razer Blade Pro and ASUS ROG Zephyrus Duo. Both are fantastic machines, no doubt. However, they often fall short in areas like upgradability and sheer horsepower. For instance, the Zephyrus Duo caps out at RTX 4090, while the Blade Pro sacrifices ports for aesthetics. Meanwhile, the Titan gives you next-gen RTX 5090 graphics, a larger battery, and better thermal management, all wrapped in a Norse-inspired design that screams premium craftsmanship. And let's talk about that design for a second. Look closely at the acid-etched lid and the embossed dragon motif on the deck. These aren't just gimmicks, they're conversation starters. Plus, how many laptops come bundled with a matching dragon-themed mouse? Exactly 0. If exclusivity is your thing, the Titan delivers in spades. Alright, here's the part everyone's waiting for, the one feature no one's talking about. Stick around because, trust me, once you hear this, you won't see gaming laptops the same way again. We'll dive deeper into benchmarks next, followed by a hands-on demo showing off the Titan's insane multitasking capabilities. After that, we'll wrap things up with pricing details and why now is the perfect time to grab one for yourself. Oh, and here's a fun tidbit. Did you know MSI collaborated with Ubisoft to showcase how smoothly Assassin's Creed runs on this machine? Keep watching till the end to catch a sneak peek of that collaboration. If you're serious about taking your tech game to the next level, the MSI Titan 18 HX Dragon Edition Norse Myth is the ultimate solution. Click the link in the description for an exclusive deal. We're talking limited time discounts and free setup guides to help you get started. Don't wait too long though. Stock is already flying off shelves faster than Loki dodging Thor's hammer. One last thing. As a veteran in this space, I wouldn't recommend something unless I truly believed in it. Yes, the Titan has its quirks like its hefty weight, but those pale in comparison to what it brings to the table. So go ahead, treat yourself. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Until next time, stay curious and stay powerful. This is Snow. Peace out.